there's a new feature on Instagram that allows you to link a reel to your reel that you were just posting. With using this update, if you are doing content series of reels, like this is my day one of eating a marshmallow, this is my day two, each one can link to the next one. Think of it like you have a series and you can link the previous reel, but you're not just doing a series, right? There's other types of content that you do on Instagram that you do for marketing. One might be behind the scenes, another one might be a vlog. Those vlogs can turn into series, or it could be an educational video. So each one of those as well can be linked, but say if you're posting 2 to 3 times a day, you won't link each of those together. But from day 1 series and then day 5 series, you'll be linking those together like a chain. So this is a new update with Instagram. It's been out for like a week now, and you can link a reel. There's also another feature where you can link the original piece of content, which you can cross promote other Instagram accounts. So multiple accounts that can link across different accounts. Okay. So if you are doing series types of content, think about linking the previous series to the reel that you're just posting and create a chain. And this creates binge-worthy watching content for this reason on Instagram. Because a lot of the content that's actually coming together, that is actually being pushed out on Instagram, is actually high quality. It's high quality, and it can be actually high quality educational video. But maybe one of them is like a highlight reel, another one is like a educational. So linking those in the right series and linkage, you can build off what you said on the previous one, because you only have a limited amount of time to get out your message.